Hello friends, whether you are an architect, civil engineer, interior designer giving a quote or a homeowner planning a budget, you need accuracy. Got possession of your flat or home. Don't know how much the interior will cost without breaking walls. Today, I will show you how to get a 100% accurate building estimate on buildingestimate.in and constructionestimate.in. For that, go to Google, type buildingestimate.in or constructionestimate.in. Our website open. Click page interior design estimate. Our interior design estimate page opens. Please select flat type. Please select quality of interior design, normal, standard, premium or extra premium. Then select the items in living room such as sofa, TV unit, center table, etc. Select type quantity. Then select dining area items. Then select items in kitchen. Then select items in master bedroom. Then select items for kids bedroom. Select items for guest bedroom, bathroom, balcony, general area. Your interior estimate is ready. Download PDF. You got the PDF instantly. You can print it and quote it. See the PDF. Thanks for watching.